Today on Chef Hacks, we have bourbon honey, or bourbon butter honey. I'm just gonna light bourbon on fire. So we're gonna start by putting bourbon in a pan, a little bit more. All right, now we gotta get a little bit of fire, and then we're just gonna light this on fire and let it reduce. You can't see it that great on the camera, but please understand, there is a roaring fire in this pot. So then we're gonna add our seasonings. If you're doing this at home, it'll probably sparkle up a little bit. Swish it around, make sure that fire keeps going. After you've cooked off all the alcohol, you wanna add butter in there, and you don't wanna let it melt. You want it to like ease through there and emulsify. So what I'm doing here is just gyrating around the pot just so it like cools the sauce down all at the same time. We're gonna add a little bit of honey in here, and then keep that butter moving, make sure everything kind of blends together evenly. You don't really wanna incorporate too much air into this. And then once you incorporate all those ingredients together, you'll have your finished product. It's kind of like caramel, but drunken caramel. I like it on top of salmon. I think it makes a nice glaze on top of fish, chicken, anything you really want to put it on. All right, check it out for yourself. Like, comment, subscribe. It's still going.